Hello friends, in this topic I'll walk you through important days and dates of October 2021. October 1st is International Day of Elderly. The purpose to celebrate this day is to raise awareness about the problems faced by older person. The theme of International Day of Older Person 2021 is Digital Equity for All Ages. It was passed by UN General Assembly on 14 December 1990. October 2 is Gandhi Jayanti, International Day of Non-Violence. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, father of India and the leader of the Indian independence movement. First Monday of October is celebrated as a World Habitat Day. The theme of World Habitat Day 2021 is Accelerating Urban Action for a Carbon-Free World. World Habitat Day was declared by the UN resolution in 1985 and first celebrated in 1986. October 4th is celebrated as a World Animal Welfare Day. The World Animal Day 2021 theme is Forests and Livelihoods, Sustaining People and Planet. The day is celebrated to raise awareness about the protection and prevention of cruelty towards animals. October 8th is celebrated as an Indian Air Force Day. Indian Air Force Day was established on 8th October 1932 by the British Crown as the Royal Indian Air Force. The name was changed from Royal Indian Air Force to Indian Air Force in 1950. This year, Indian Air Force is celebrating its 89th anniversary. World Post Day. It is celebrated on 9th of October every year. This day is celebrated every year to raise awareness about the role of the postal sector for people and businesses every day. October 10th is celebrated as a National Post Day. National Post Day, it is the extension of World Post Day. The National Post Day is celebrated every year in India to recognize the work of the Indian Postal Department. October 10th is also celebrated as a World Mental Health Day. It is celebrated for global mental health education, awareness and advocacy against social stigma. It was first celebrated in 1992 at the initiative of the World Federation for Mental Health. A global mental health organization with members and contact is more than 150 countries. October 11th is celebrated as an International Girl Child Day. This day is celebrated to raise voice about the rights of girls. October 2nd Thursday is celebrated as a World Sight Day. It is a global event meant to draw attention on blindness and vision impairment. It was originally initiated by the Sight First campaign of Lions Club International Foundation in 2000. October 13 is celebrated as a UN International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction. This day is declared by United Nations General Assembly to spread awareness about disaster risk reduction. October 14th is celebrated as a World Standard Day. The day aims to pay tribute to the collaborative efforts of thousands of experts worldwide that develop the voluntary technical agreement that are published as international standards. October 15th is celebrated as a World White Cane Day, guiding the blind. The day aims to shift focus from safety to independence of blind people and to continue to use the white cane. And it is celebrated on 15th October by the National Federation of the Blind. October 16th is celebrated as a World Food Day, and the theme of World Food Day 2021 is Our Actions Are Our Future, Better Protection, Better Nutrition, a Better Environment, and a Better Life. The day aims to raise awareness about the healthy diet. October 20th is celebrated as a National Solidarity Day, and it is observed every year on October 20th in India. It is the date on which China attacked India in 1962. October 21st 4th is celebrated as a UN Day, World Development Information Day. UN Day is United Nations Day and it is celebrated on 24th October every year. It marks the anniversary of the entry into force in 1945 of the UN Charter. United Nations Day has been celebrated since 1948. The year 2021 marks the 76th anniversary of United Nations and its founding charter. On October 24th, World Development Information Day is also celebrated, and UN General Assembly declared World Development Information Day in 1972 to direct people's attention towards developmental problems and the need to consolidate international cooperation to solve them. October 30 is celebrated as a World Thrift Day. This day is celebrated every year on 30th October in India and 31st October across the world. The day aims to promote savings and financial security of nations and individuals. October 31st is celebrated as a National Unity Day, which is also called as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, and it is celebrated since 2014 in India. This day is observed in the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as Iron Man of India. He played an important role in unifying the country. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played important role in unifying of India and made it Ek Bharat. Thank you so much, guys.